The Ford Bronco has been an icon for decades, and this model is no exception. Part of the fun of it has been able to put the top back, and Bestop has made this awesome replacement top that looks great up or down. You know how sometimes you want to enjoy the open air experience in your Bronco, but still have that extra protection from the elements? Well, the Trektop Slantback soft top has got you covered. Literally. It's a sleek and stylish soft top that's specifically designed for the Bronco, giving an even more rugged and eye-catching look. Now you might be wondering, why should I consider the Trektop Slantback? Well, let me tell you. It's made with high-quality materials that are built to last. The top is made from premium fabric that is UV resistant and waterproof, so you can enjoy your Bronco in any weather. The soft top is also designed to be fully compatible with your Bronco's factory door surrounds and tailgate bar, so you don't have to worry about any issues with it not fitting. And once the top is installed, you'll immediately notice the difference in the way your Bronco looks and feels. The Trektop Slantback is equipped with convenient features that make your life easier. It's got easy zip windows providing excellent visibility and allowing you to enjoy those breathtaking views without any hassle. The Slantback design gives your vehicle a slick, streamlined appearance, and the top is easy to remove when you want to enjoy some open air driving. Plus, the Trektop Slantback soft top is designed to be quieter than any other soft tops on the market, so you can enjoy your music and conversations without any interference. Overall, this is a high quality, durable product that will enhance the look and functionality of your Bronco. So if you're interested in the Trektop Slantback by Bestop, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.